One of my big assumptions that I had was, am I really going to like this healthy stuff? I was in that mindset. Celebrate Your Plate has helped basically stepping me out of my comfort zone. I mean, it's just given me more of a knowledge on everything that goes in, like the amount of sugars that are in, like pops and stuff and everything. It's just kind of opened my eyes to try to help me make better decisions in eating and all. Two things. One, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and eat things that you're not used to. And the other is that it's possible. It's possible to have things that are healthy, that really have good flavoring and stuff for you, and that are good for you. I cook a lot more asparagus and zucchini and squash and things like that. The way that they taught me to cook it with SnapEd and Cooking Matters, it adds a lot of flavor to it. It's not just bland. It's got a lot of flavor and spice to it. So just make that initial step, because believe me, I was one of those people that, it was quicker to stop through McDonald's or Wendy's or someplace, a fast food restaurant, than to actually come home and cook. And now I come home from work and things are ready to go, and we can just throw it together, maybe an hour, and then we've got a very good, flavorful, healthy meal for us.